Hi guys, welcome back. Today is day 23, the magic wand. Have you ever wished you had a magic wand so that you could just wave your wand and help the people you love? Well, today's magical practice will show you how you can use life's real magic wand to help others. When you fervently went to help another person, you have immense power. But when you direct that power with gratitude, you really do have a magic wand that can help the people you care about. Energy flows where your attention goes, and so when you direct the energy of gratitude toward another person needs, that's where the energy goes. This is the very reason why Jesus said thank you before he performed a miracle. Gratitude is an invisible but real force of energy, and coupled with energy of your desire, it is just like having a magical wand. People who wait for a magic wand fail to see that they are the magic wand. If you have a family member, friend, or anyone you care about who is lacking physical health, in financial trouble, unhappy in their work, stressed, suffering because a relationship has ended, lost confidence in him or herself, suffering from mental problems, or feeling down about their life, you can use the invisible force of gratitude to help them with their health, wealth, and happiness. To wave your magic wand for another's health, imagine that the person's health has been fully restored and say the magic words thank you in heartfelt celebration of receiving the news that he or she is full of health again. You could imagine the person calling you to give you the news, or imagine them telling you in person and really see and feel your reaction. When you can feel as grateful now as you would when you heard the news that the person's health had been fully restored, and it will guarantee that the gratitude you will feel isn't sincere and as powerful as it can be. To wave your magic wand to help someone you love with their wealth, follow the same magical practice and be as grateful as they had the wealth they needed right now. Imagine their wealth has been fully restored, it is done, and you are saying the magic words thank you because you have received the amazing news. If a person you know is going through a tough time but you don't know what specifically they need, or if they need help in more than one area, then you can follow the same magical practice and wave your magic wand by giving thanks for their happiness or their health, wealth, and happiness together. Today, choose three people you care about who are currently in need of health, wealth, or happiness, or all of three above three. Get a photograph of each person if you have one, and keep the photograph in front of you while doing this practice. Okay. Take the first person, hold their photograph in your hand, then close your eyes and for 1 minute visualize yourself receiving the news that the person has been fully restored with whatever they need. It is much easier to visualize yourself receiving the news than it is to visualize, for example, an ill person healthy again, or a depressed person happy again, or a financially stressed person abundant again. And you will feel more excitement and gratitude if you involve yourself in your visualization. Open your eyes and, with the photograph still in your hand, say the magic words thank you slowly 3 times for the person's health, wealth, or happiness, or whatever combination they need. Thank you, thank you, thank you Rakhi, for Rakhi's wealth that she needs right now. As you finish with one person, move on to the next person and follow the same 2 steps until you have finished the magic wand practice by sending health, wealth, or happiness to all three people. You can also use this powerful practice when you are walking down the street or going about your day and you come across when someone who is obviously lacking happiness, health, or wealth. Imagine you have a magic wand and in your mind wave it by giving heartfelt thanks for their wealth, health, and happiness, and know that you have set a real force of energy into motion. Using gratitude to help someone else with his or her health, wealth, and happiness is the single greatest act of gratitude you can perform. And one of the magical things about it is that the health, wealth, and happiness you fervently wish for others, you also bring to yourself. I am going to put everything on the description box for the magic practice number 2. I am going to take my 3 friends. Well, I have 2 in my mind, and third I have no idea, but I am going to do all the 3. I'll take all 3 people, and I am going to be thankful for their health, wealth, and abundance they want in their life right now. I know they are going through a lot of stress, so if this practice is going to heal them, I would be very grateful. I would be very thankful to universe, and seriously. So guys, let's do this practice, and let's see how it works and how it changes your life as well. See you guys on the next video. Thank you.